My dear technician, check this out. So this is a Infinix phone. According to the technician that brought it to me, he told me that there's no network. The phone is not getting network. So I put different SIM card to test and confirm, and I confirmed that the phone is not getting network. There's SIM card here, but there's no network. Let me show you the SIM card. You can see the SIM card, but there's no network. We don't have network, and I will show you here live proof that the phone is not getting network. So let me open the phone for you to see. So here you can see that there's no network. You can see here we don't have network, and if I slide this down, you can see here emergency. There's SIM card here, but it's showing emergency call. So guys, I'm going to troubleshoot. I will take my time and troubleshoot and check the problem, what caused it. Okay, as a technician, try and troubleshoot, learn how to troubleshoot so that you can be able to fix all of this. So I'll be taking my time to check one after the other, whether it's network IC, it's cable, it's downboard, whatsoever. I'm going to try my best to fix it. So without time wasted, let's get started.
My dear technician, check this out. You're welcome back to my new video. Check this out. Like I said before, a phone technician gave me this phone. According to him, he told me that the phone is not getting network. He tried different SIM card, but still no way. Still showing emergency, no network. My dear technician, as you can see, I'm removing the bolt. I want to go straight to the PCB and check. And not just that, I'll also check the downboard and check if there is any problem, if there is any issue, so that I can fix it. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know right now in the comment section. I'm ready to answer your question. My dear technician, check this out. Here we can see the problem. My dear technician, this is the problem. Here you can see that the downboard was changed. This is the subboard. The subboard was changed. And right here, we're supposed to have some resistors or capacitors that will help the phone to get signal, that will help the network IC to get network. You understand my point, right? So the downboard was changed. At the technician, we have to put some component. You may ask, Father Joe, why is it that we don't have the component here on the board already? At the technician, the answer is this subboard is fake. This is not the original subboard, so it is fake. By the technician, check this out. The first thing, I test the ground, and now I want to test the positive. Here you can see that the positive is connected directly to the network cable pin. Okay, you can see to the network cable socket, which is not right. It's supposed not to be like that. By the technician, to fix this issue, I need to take my time and do it. Check this out. I also use my multimeter to test this network cable. It's important. So let me test it. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I have to confirm everything before I start working. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. Check this out. You can see I tested it and it's working perfectly. So the next thing is for me to go straight to the main board. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you going straight to the main board? I want to check if everything is right. I want to check and confirm before I proceed. Yes, it's important. As a technician, you need to check. You need to check and confirm. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I will be done. 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 Check this out, my dear technician. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Check the PCB. Check the PCB, my dear technician. Everything here looks clean. No physical damage. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. I have to troubleshoot, have to check. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. I want to be sure everything is okay, everything is all right. At the technician, I check very well. I zoom to check. Check this out. I discovered that they have not worked on the main PCB before. I use my chemical to clean it. It's important you do so. At the technician, I will be done. The next thing is for me to use my multimeter and test the network cable socket. Check this out. I tested the negative and it's working. I tested the positive and it's working perfectly. Check this out. The positive is not giving reading because there is a capacitor. At the technician, the main PCB is working perfectly fine. Nothing's wrong with the main PCB. So I now go straight to the subboard. So this is the subboard. The next thing is for me to get a capacitor. By the technician, I will be done. Check this out, by the technician. I'm checking for the component. So this is the exactly one I'll be using. Check this out. And this one will work perfectly. If you want to know the voltage, the capacity of the capacitor, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. So this is where you're going to place your capacitor. You can see, apply a little lead and you're good to go. So the next thing, get your PCB holder, tight it a little bit, then zoom and check very well. At the technician, the first thing is for me to lead the capacitor to the pin. Just take your time to do it. You can see, I'm taking my time to do this. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, after you're done, you're good to go. The next thing is for me to cut this line. I don't want the connection to be direct again, so you have to cut it, okay? Cut it, great open circuit here. Cut it. You can see, good. Clean it very well so you can see. You can zoom your camera to see it very well. The next thing is for you to use your lead, connect this one. You can see, connect the jumper. You can see the jumper. Okay, take it all the way to the positive. Make sure you bend the wire very well. You can see, cut it. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. As you can see, I will be done. Take your time to do this. I'll be done. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Just take your time to connect it. Check this out. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. Make sure that it is connected. Apply lid. Okay, I'm done. Check this out. It's connected. At the ignition. I'm done. I'm done 100%. So the next thing is for me to fix the phone and test. Check this out. So let me fix the phone. No time to waste. You can see I'm taking my time to do. Just take your time to fix it. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out, my data ignition. Put all the bolt, the camera lens cover, tight everything. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out, my data ignition. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Let me connect the downboard. Check this out. I'll be done. At the ignition. It will work perfectly. It will work perfectly, my data ignition. It will work perfectly, my data ignition. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. My data ignition, the next thing is for me to connect this jumper wire to the back cover network connection. You can see it's important. Make sure you connect it. It's important. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you connect it? I'm connecting it because the negative terminal is not working perfectly. The pin that's supposed to connect to the back cover was destroyed, so they use lead. So the lead is not perfectly connected very well, so I have to use the jumper wire so we can have a good network, strong network. If you have any question, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out, my data ignition. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing is for me to put SIM card. My data ignition. I first of all put the MTN, but there is a pin in the SIM. So my technician that brought it told me that he does not know, so I have to change and use his own SIM card. At the technician, please wait. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Okay. So let me go to settings. Guys, you can see by the technician, you can see there's network 100%. You can see it's working and it's browsing the internet. 4G, full 4G network. Check this out. Let me open for you guys to see. Let me open the phone for you guys to see. You can see the jumper. You can see the jumper that I did. You can see the PCB. You can see that it's working. It's still the phone. Everything works perfectly. My technician, check this out.
So guys, this phone came to our shop this morning for repair. Like I said before, it was network issue, so there was no signal in the phone, and I tried my best. Yes, it's good to try your best. Always try your best. Troubleshoot, and finally you'll get the result. So the phone is now working. As you can see, there's network. Check this out. There's network. Here you can see this network. It's working perfectly, guys. Trust us, we can do it. Come and fix your phone. God.